Hi friends, I'm Arasi. Welcome to Groovy Mathematics. In our past video, we discussed about how to multiply any number by 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Isn't it? Yes. But we multiplied the numbers without using the multiplication tables. Do you all remember? Yes. But now we have to go for the other numbers, isn't it? That is from 6 to 10. Isn't it? Yes. For that, we can frame the answers, that is the table, using the base multiplication methodology. What is meant by the base multiplication method? Base multiplication is nothing else other than framing a multiplying a number from the base. Here the base may be power of some tens. Like it may be a 10 or 100 or 1000, anything it may be. Using that base, we can solve a multiplication. Let it be either below the base or the number may be above the base. Let it be. We can solve it. First, initially, we are going to solve using below the base and base 10. We are going to use base 10 here. Okay. And in base 10, we will be going for below the base means they are using this method. We are going to frame the tables. And I am not going to do it fully. I'll just explain the method and it's you who are going to solve it. Can we see? Come on. Usually we use the sutras to solve the problems. The same way the sutra used for the base multiplication is Nikhilam Navatas Charamam Dashataha, which means all from 9 and last from 10, which we know well. If anyone has not seen, please see the video of all from 9 and last from 10. I have given it in the description. Only that methodology is going to be applied for the multiplication, base multiplication. Come on, let's see the problem now. The first problem is 9 into 8. First, to solve this problem, I am going to split my answer into two parts. That is my LHS and my RHS. It is my first thing. Then what I am going to do is, I need to find the base, isn't it? For finding the base is nothing else power of 10. Base is the power of 10. It may be 10 power 1 or 10 power 2 or 10 power 3, anything that is the 10, 100, thousands, 10,000, etc. But base is the power of 10. And we are going to equate the number to be multiplied with the base of the 10. That is the base. Here my numbers are 9 and 8. 9 and 8 is closer to which base? 9 and 8 is closer to 10, isn't it? Which power of 10? It is 10 power 1, that is the 10. So my base here is 10. So I consider my base of this problem to be 10 as 9 and 8 are closer to 10. Okay. Next what I have to do? I have to find. I initially told that I need my LHS and my RHS. Isn't it? I have split my answer into two parts. The LHS and my RHS. Now I have to find my LHS and my RHS. Okay. Come. For my LHS, I'll just take the numbers directly first. Initially. On my RHS, I'll be taking it as I'm going to subtract the number by the base. The number here is 9 and 8. I have to subtract this number by the base. The base is 10. Okay. So 9 minus 10. Please make a note here. I'm not subtracting. Don't just subtract it as 10 minus 9 as 10 is the larger number. I'm repeating again, we have to subtract the number by the base and not the larger number by the small number. We need the sign 2 there. So no issues. Let the sign be there. We can make it. If we subtract a smaller number by a larger number, then we can provide the sign of the larger number to the output, isn't it? Yes. The same way, I am giving the answer 9 minus 10 as minus 1, as the difference of 10 and 9 is 1 and 10 is the greater number and it is a negative number. So I am giving a negative sign for 1. So it's minus 1. The same way, 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Okay. I have completed the first step for my LHS and RHS. For my second step, what I am going to do is, first let me consider the RHS. What I am doing? Minus 1 into minus 2. So it gives me 2. I'll go for multiplying these two values which I have got by finding the difference between the number and the base. Okay. Okay. It's 2. Minus 1 into 2 is 2. For my LHS, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do cross addition. Yeah, I'm going to add it, but the number on my RHS is the negative number, so I will be subtracting it. Just consider it as cross addition. Don't get confused. Don't think for this as subtraction. If you consider this as subtraction, if we go for above the base multiplication, there we will be going for addition. So just don't confuse it as like those things. Just have a clear thing. The number on my RHS is the negative number. So if I go for subtraction, cross subtraction, if I subtract it again, it will become an addition here, isn't it? Yes. So we are going to do only the addition procedure here. So it's 9 and this is minus 2. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. Similarly, 8 minus 1 is also 7. So my LHS is equal to 7. Both the cross we will give the same output. Let it be either 9 minus 2 or let it be either 8 minus 1. Anyway, the answer will be the same. There won't be any changes. Okay. So my answer for my LHS is 7 and my RHS is 2. What I have to do next? I have to give the answer by directly writing my LHS and RHS. So 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Okay. 72. Okay. What's the next sum? 8 into 7. 8 into 7. What would be my first step? Again, my first step is, yes, the splitting the answer into two parts. That is the LHS and my RHS. Okay. Next, what is the step? I have to find the base of the number, isn't it? Yes. So here, 8 and 7 are closer to 10. That is the base 10. As 8 and 7 are closer to 10, we consider 10 as the base. Okay. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, I have to find the LHS and my RHS. For my LHS, what I will be doing? I'll first initially take the numbers directly. For my RHS, I will subtract this number by this 10 by the base, number by the base. So 8 minus 10 will give you minus 2 and 7 minus 10 will give you minus 3. Isn't it? Yes. 8 minus 10 is minus 2 and 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3, and this symbol is very important as we are subtracting the number by the base. Base is a larger number here. So it's a negative answer. Okay. Okay. Then how to get the RHS? RHS is very simple. We are going to multiply the numbers. So what's the numbers here? That is, it is minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. What will be my LHS? I have to cross add it. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then 7 minus 2 is also 5. So my LHS is equal to 5 and my RHS is equal to 6, which shows that 8 into 7 is equal to 56. Okay, is it clear? Okay, we can go for the next problem. What's the problem here? It's 6 into 7. 6 into 7. What I have to do here? First, initially, I have to split my answer into two parts. That is the LHS and my RHS. Okay. Then I have to find the base. See, 6 and 7 is very nearer to the base 10. So, it's nearer to 10. So, I consider base as the 10 here. Okay. Okay. Next, what I have to do? I have to find the LHS and the RHS. For LHS, what we will be doing? We will be first initially considering the numbers directly. The numbers here are 6 and 7. And for RHS, what I have to do? For RHS, I have to subtract this number by the base. So number is 6 and the base is 10. Okay, so number minus base is equal to, that is 6 minus 10 is equal to minus 4. As base is greater number and it is a negative number, we are giving a negative answer. Okay, okay. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Okay, next what I have to do? I have to find my RHS by multiplying these two values. These two difference values which I have received. So my values are minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to plus 12. Okay. Minus into minus is equal to, minus into minus will give always a plus answer, positive answer. Negative number into a negative number will give a positive answer. Positive number into a negative, positive number will also give the positive answer. Okay. Okay. As of now, this is enough. We can see the other parts afterwards, later on. Okay, come on. Okay, now I have got 12. Here, have you seen in the previous problems, in our RHS, we are having only a single digit. But here we have got two digits. What we have to do here? You know, I would like to mention one thing. The number of digits in the RHS always depends on the number of zeros in the base. Okay, if I have 1 0 in the base, then the number of digits in my RHS is 1. If I had 2 zeros in the base, my RHS will have 2 digits. If I had 3 zeros, 3 digits. Okay, I'm having only 1 0. So what I have to do next? I have to carry over the next number. I have to keep only the last digit, that is the ones digit, and I have to carry over other digits to my LHS. Okay, come, let's go for the LHS now. So I'm taking only the 2 here and I have to carry over it. We can see first, let's compute the LHS. 6 minus 3 and we have to cross add it. 6 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. I have got this 3. What will be my next step? I have to add this 3 to the number which is carried over. The number which is carried over here is this 1, isn't it? Yes, this 1 is carried over here. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Because in RHS, the number of digits should be equal to the number of zeros of the base. The base is 10, so RHS can have only a single digit. So the other digits other than the ones place of the number which we get by multiplying the difference of the base and the number, other digits has to be carried over. Okay, so in my LHS, see, I have got it as 3 and then I am adding my carryover, so it provides me 4. So my answer for LHS is 4, which implies 6 into 7 is equal to 42. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Okay, using this very same methodology, try to frame the whole table. I'll give you another one easy trick. Till 5, that is either let it be up to 6 into 5 or 7 into 5 or 8 into 5 or 9 into 5. We all know the tables up to how to frame the tables up to 5. We know that methods, isn't it? We can use those methods there. We can implement those methods and we can frame the table up to 6 there. From 6 into 6 to 9 into 9, you can do with this methodology and try to frame the table so that it would be much helpful for you all. Okay, okay, there won't be any need to memorize the tables. It would be very much fun, isn't it? we need to sit and tell the tables daily from morning to evening. It would be easier. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. Practice it and if share your doubts if you have anything in the comment box. Okay. And please do subscribe my channel and thank you very much.